So to extract the metals from the ore, the first step is concentration or dressing. Okay, concentration or dressing is the first step to extract metals from the ores. So what is meaning of concentration or dressing? So concentration means getting rid of unwanted rocky materials. Okay, getting rid of as much as unwanted rocky materials is concentration. Okay, this is the meaning of concentration. Now, in this concentration, there are 4 methods. Okay, the first method is hand picking. Okay, first method is hand picking. The next method is washing. The next method is froth flotation. And the fourth method is magnetic separation. Okay, now let us learn all these 4 one by one. So first we'll see hand picking. Okay, first we'll see hand picking. So hand picking means if ore particles and impurities are different in their properties. If the impurities and ore particles are different in their properties, like color or size, then we can easily identify them. Directly we can identify them and we can pick up those. Okay, the impurities which are different in property comparing to the ore, we can pick up them directly and remove the impurities. Okay, this is the first method, hand picking. The next method is washing. So washing means first the ore particles, they should be crushed and kept on a slopey surface. When they are kept on a slopey surface like this, here ore particles are kept on a slopey surface. Then directly with the flow of water, with the water flow, we will wash them away. We will wash away these ore particles. Then what will happen? Less mass impurities get carried away by this water flow. Less dense impurities. Less dense impurities will go away along with the water. Less dense means less mass, low weight. Okay, they get carried away along with this water flow and the remaining ore particles will stay there. Okay, this is one method, washing. The next is froth flotation. Okay, the third method is froth flotation. This method is mainly useful for sulfide ores. Okay, froth flotation method is mainly useful for sulfide ores. Why? Because these sulfide ores, they do not have wetting property. Okay, sulfide ores have no wetting property. But the sulfide ores have no wetting property. That means indirectly the impurities get wetted. They have wetting property. Impurities have wetting property. So what do we do is the ore with these impurities, they are kept in a beaker or in a cell. Then we give some pressure into that. Some pressure air is blown into the water. Okay, we'll take water in a beaker and then add these sulfide ores. Then we will send compressed air into it. Compressed air means air under pressure that is blown into this water. Then what do we get is we get froth. Okay, froth means like bubbles. Okay, froth bubbles, they contain the sulfide ore particles. Okay, they will the sulfide ore particles go onto the surface, whereas impurities settle at the bottom. Okay, froth along with the ore particles, they will stay on the surface when we pass compressed air, whereas impurities will be at the bottom. Then we separate this froth. That means indirectly we are getting ores also. Along with the froth, we are getting ore particles. So this is how we are separating ore particles from the impurities in froth flotation. Now we'll see magnetic separation. So in magnetic separation, the ore or impurity. So ore or impurity, what should they have? One of them should have magnetic substance. Okay, they should possess magnetic property, any one of them. Okay, they should have magnetic property. Any one, if ore or impurity has magnetic property, and if the other one is non-magnetic substance, then using electromagnets, we can directly separate them. One should be magnetic, the other should be non-magnetic. It can be ore or impurity. Okay, this is about concentration and its 4 types.
Yeah, very good. Vaishnavi, you repeat, baby.
Yes. Concentration is getting rid of unwanted rocky materials, and it consists of 4 stages. The first one is hand picking. Hand picking method is used when the color or size of the impurities is different from that of the ore. And in washing, the ore is kept on a slopey surface and it is washed away with the flow of water. And the impurities will be carried by the water, and the pure ore will be left on the surface. The less denser impurities will get washed away with the water. And in froth flotation, this method we use for sulfide ores as they have no wetting property, and the froth will remain, and the ores with the froth will remain on the surface, and the froth and ore will get separated in this way. And in magnetic separation, the ore or the impurity have to have the magnetic property as to get separated.
Okay, it's good. You tried your level best. It's nice. Next, Varsini, continue, baby.
Yes, sir. Concentration or dressing. Getting rid of unwanted rocky materials is called as concentration of ore or dressing of the ore. In this process, we have 4 methods. Hand picking. If the ore or impurities have different properties, then we can identify which are the impurities and ore. We can pick the impurities with our hands. In washing,
Okay, that's good. Okay.